Namaste. Hello friends, my name is Dr. Pranjal Chaure. I am a homeopath practicing in Nagpur since 2011. Welcome to my YouTube channel about homeopathic books. In the videos on this channel, you will learn about various homeopathic books on different subjects. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. And also don't forget to share it with your friends. So let's start with today's topic. Hello friends, today's topic is homeopathic books on rheumatism. The first book is Chronic Rheumatism by Dr. Fortier-Bernaville. Dr. Fortier-Bernaville was a stalwart French homeopath. This book is also co-written by Dr. L.A. Rousseau. This book was translated from French to English by Dr. Rajkumar Mukherjee. The details about the author have been given in the previous videos. The author has discussed on various remedies which can be used for rheumatism with the indicated symptoms and ideal potency and repetition for usage. He also enlists medicines for sciatica in reference to different temperaments and body types. The next book is Rheumatism by Dr. Wilhelm Caro. He was a famous British homeopathic stalwart. This book was published in the year 1942. The details about the author have been discussed in the previous videos. The author has put stress upon the dietetic and hygiene measures which will prevent rheumatic complaints and deals practically with the types of disorder generally met and the treatment of remedies. The contents are: what does rheumatism mean? Rheumatic fever, acute rheumatism, muscular rheumatism, myalgia, fibrositis and neuritis also. Arthritis deformans, chronic rheumatism of the joints, gout, and the conclusion of all the chapters. The next book is Homeopathy in Rheumatism by Dr. Y.R. Agrawal. Dr. Y.R. Agrawal is a famous homeopath from Rajasthan, India. He was author of many books. The details about the author have been discussed in the previous videos. This book was published in the year 1997. The contents are rheumatism, arthritis, gout, sciatica, lumbago, spondylitis, torticollis. All topics have been explained in detail with homeopathic therapeutics. The next important book is The Rheumatic Remedies by Herbert Roberts. This book also comes with a repertory. The repertory to the rheumatic remedies by Herbert Roberts. So this book has two parts and it has been arranged in the opposite directions, as you can see. Dr. Herbert Roberts was MD, famous American homeopathic stalwart. Details about the author have been shared in previous videos. This book was published in the year 1939. This book has two sections. Section 1 contains the rheumatic remedies, in which there is a materia medica of 207 remedies. And in the next section, there is the repertory of the repertory to the rheumatic remedies. The next book is Gout and Its Cure by J. Compton Burnett. He was a stalwart British homeopath. The details have been shared in previous videos about the author. This book was published in 1895. The author says that for the successful treatment of gout, it is necessary to have a clear idea about the disease, its pre-deposit symptoms and its post-deposit symptoms. The author not only differentiates but between the two conditions also explains, first, how to get rid of the gouty attacks and the deposits, and second, how to deal with that which leads to the production of uric acid in the body. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.